Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Audacity in your computer. Before doing that, I would like to suggest to bring your laptop or sit in front of your computer and follow the instruction at the same time. I don't want you to miss any steps during this session. Anyway, let's get to the point. Now, the first step is to open your internet browser and go to Google page. Then type download Audacity in your Google search. And enter in your keyboard. Next, click on download Audacity link. For the Windows system, click on first option or Audacity for Windows icon. Likewise, for the Mac operating system, click on Audacity for Mac OS. I'm using Mac OS, so I will just click on it. Then it will take you to the next page where you can see Audacity 2.2.2.dmg file, which have 32.65 MB of files, includes helps files. Now, just click on this link and it will take you to the installer page, from where you have to download main installer file. For that, go on one of these links for your reference. If you're using Windows operating system, click on first link, this one here. Or if you're using Mac operating system, click on third link. You can see with this cursor, I have Mac, so I'll just click on download Audacity Mac OS DMG link. As soon as you click on this link, downloading starts automatically. You can check here. You can also check your downloading notification from your download folder. For this, just close all the windows and go to Finder, click on download option. You can see Audacity installer has already downloaded with .dmg extension file. Now double click on it, then it will show you the message window with some installation instruction. You can see the audacity.app icon and application folder. It is clear from the instruction that you have to drag this Audacity icon and drop in application folder. As you drop in application folder, your installation process is now completed. Congratulations, you did well. So you might be excited to see the graphical user interface of Audacity, right? Okay, just go onto your application list in your computer and double click on Audacity icon. This is your user interface option that will ask you, are you sure you want to open it? Yes, open it. So this is your user interface of Audacity. That means you have successfully downloaded and installed Audacity in your computer. In the next video, I will show you how to work in Audacity. For that, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Biswas Online, or simply go to www.biswas.online and follow the link provided. Thank you and good luck for your learning.